Hello everyone, and welcome in the short video presenting how to split solid face. So it's easy. Navigate to Model Prep, select Split Solid Faces from Direct Editing section, and you have two ways you can split your solid face, using wireframe or flow lines. Okay, and I want to use wireframe. So first you need to tell Mastercam what face you want to split, and at the moment I've got one face that is the floor of this impeller. So I'm going to split it to have just separate section. Okay, and I want to use this edge of the fillet, and using your left mouse button, click on the lines that you want to use to cut your selected face. And after selecting the line, it changes its color to purple. I cut it in one side, but to separate the face, to have a separate face, I need to select the other side as well. So when you separate the face, when you select those lines or close chain, Mastercam will show you that you completed your cutting, because when you hover the mouse, don't click anything, just hover the mouse above your face and it will highlight in different color. Okay, press OK to finish, and your new face will have different colors, so you can see clearly what has been created for you. Let's check different options that we have to split the face. Okay, select Split Solid Faces again, and this time we are going to use flow lines. And you have horizontals and vertical lines that you can use, or you can use both of them at the same time. I'm going to use the V lines. Okay, so first you need to show what face you want to split. Zoom in to the area roughly that I want to put my line, and I want to be, for example, on the edge here. So when I'm in the right position, I see the yellow line crossing the face, and if I'm happy with the result, I click left mouse button to accept, and then green OK button to close the window. And this is your new face here. There is one very important thing that I want to highlight. If after the splitting your face, any of your machining operations, your toolpaths goes dirty, that means this face was used inside those operations. So you have to add the new face you created into the operations that used original face. Next example, I created a spline. You can use a line, you can use a circle, any geometry you want. And I'm going to project this line. Let's have a look. So let's go back to Model Prep, Split Solid Faces. I want to split this face here, and I want to use wireframe. Select the line and tick project using construction plane. And Mastercam uses the construction plane to project the line or the geometry onto the solid face, and then this line is being used to split the face. Okay, and it uses the construction plane that we have active at the moment. Okay, now click the green button to accept the settings, and we have two faces, and again new face, change the color. Okay, so inside this operation we have another option that we can use. So for example, let's say that I want to split this face, and I want to project this edge onto the bottom face. And what I can do, I can extend this line through the surface. Okay. And again, you can highlight the result, the face, what is split. Okay. It's useful when you have more complex geometry. And again, another thing that we can use is just a wireframe. So basically, show the face that you want to split, select this line, and when you have extend, it will extend it, accept, and you have new face. Okay. I hope this short video helped you, and if you liked the video, you found it informative, you found the information you were looking for, please hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. Please also check tutorials on my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.